guys, welcome to Living with the Lindsays. I just want to show you what I have today. I went to visit someone and this is what I received. I got a small breadfruit, I don't know if you can see it, and I got 3 lovely jelly coconuts, and then my favorite, a bag full of Ackee. And so in this video I'm gonna go through cleaning my Ackee so that you can see it. See, I have the bag full right here. Ackee and saltfish is the national dish of Jamaica, but I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat the saltfish, but I eat Ackee. Come along as I clean the Ackee, and probably I'll just show you how my meal will look at the end of it.
Daddy, I think that the Ackee got seeds in it.
All right, guys, so when you're cleaning the Ackee, first you're gonna take it out the husk. So that's the pod there, and we took the Ackee out of it. All right, and then you take out the seed out of the Ackee, just twist it and it comes out. And then there is that little red piece inside. You want to take that out. And so your Ackee is clean now. It's clean on the inside. All right, so I'm going to do the others, and then I'll tell you what you do after you clean your Ackee. All right, so I am done cleaning the Ackee now. That's it in the bowl right there. I have the children there looking in it. See how it's golden in color, yellow. And so let me just put it a little bit closer for you to see, guys. I don't know if the camera is focusing. Yes, that's the Ackee down in there. And so that's a pod right there. Excuse me, Amelia. Yeah, and it's cleaned out. And so after you would have cleaned it, you'll boil it until it gets soft, and then afterwards you cook it. So we normally cook it with a veggie protein after we would have boiled it, and put a little salt. You know, you get that flavor because we don't eat the saltfish. My wife said that she'll eat the saltfish. So that's Ackee, guys.